Google Assistant is a truly useful feature that allows you to ask questions, seek desired information, and perform various tasks using voice commands. You can personalize your experience with Google Assistant by changing your nickname. If you have a nickname given to you by friends or family, you may want Google Assistant to call you by that nickname as well. Follow my steps to learn how to set it up. Open Settings on your Android device. Scroll down until you find the Google section. Open it. Then click on All Services. Scroll down once again. Find and click on Settings for Google Apps. Then press on Search, Assistant and Voice. Open Google Assistant. Scroll almost to the bottom of the page. Find the nickname field and open it. My current nickname is YDF. If you click on play, you'll hear Google Assistant saying your current nickname.
YDF.
To change the nickname, click on the current nickname. A window will pop up. Delete the current nickname and enter the new nickname. After you've done that, click OK. You've successfully changed your nickname on Google Assistant. You can click on the small speaker to hear how it sounds when Google Assistant says it.
Digital friend.
And that's it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.